Hey there friends, it is me, HLModTech, and I'm back with another episode in our Tested series. Today we have got the awesome Kamisafe tripod that also has a remote control. So let's get cracking. Okay friends, so let's see what we get out of the box. First things first, there is a remote control. There is the holder for the phone. And then there is the tripod. The tripod has a removable mount. And when you remove the mount, that makes it easier to attach the holder for the phone. You don't have to use this. You could also use a normal camera on this tripod. I am going to be using it with a phone, so I do want to use this. You can tighten it with a coin, your fingers, or even a screwdriver. Once you've got it attached, you can simply slide it in place and you are ready to set up and record. So I have brought a spare Android phone and I've brought a spare Apple phone. Let's see how they work with this sweet little tripod. Inside the box there is simply a thank you note, and you can go to Amazon and orders to check it out and all that. There are no in-depth instructions. It just says if you're stuck, please contact them. All right, friends, so the first thing I want to show you is that it has a sweet removal feature, and when you've got it removed, then it's easier to flip it over and then tighten this down. As you can see, you can do it with a penny or you can do it with a screwdriver, whatever you have. Nickel would probably too fat, dime would be probably pretty awesome. When you insert your phone in, you simply lift up and it latches in. It's nice and secure. And then you simply slide this back in, get your feet adjusted for where you want it, and then you can place it so that you're ready for the next step. Before you use it though, you do need to connect it with Bluetooth. All right, so this is kind of comical. I've actually got it turned on its edge so that I can show you the steps we're doing. Should have shut off notifications so we weren't listening to all that, but hey, this at least shows us how this works. So now when I turn it on, you can see it blinking like crazy. I'm going to go into Bluetooth, and when I see it, it's right down here at the bottom. I want to pair with the AB shutter. It pairs that quickly and is added to my list of devices I can use. So let me show you how it works. So let's switch this phone to its camera, and right now we're in camera photo mode. And then I'm going to move over here, and while recording on that screen, I'm going to simply hit the Android button down below, and it takes a picture just like that using this little remote control. Let's see if we can get it to record video as well. So on my Samsung, to get into record mode, I need to do that. If I tap the Android button, it still takes a screenshot. So with this camera, it does not work. But let's see what we get when we work with iOS. First, I'm gonna shut off my little AB switch, and then I'm just gonna go into Android and shut off Bluetooth. Once again, to remove it, it is smart to always take it off here, so then it's much easier to hold and safely open and remove your phone. That way you're not accidentally dropping it. This is an iPhone 6 Plus. Got it mounted securely. Slide it in just like we did a moment ago. I've got it facing the other way, so I'm going to just adjust it so that it's on the tripod and able to stand up. Let's enter Bluetooth settings. And then the same thing, we just need to wake up and connect. You can see I already connected once, so if I just click this, it will search for it, and just like that, we will be connected. There we go. So now let's see how it works. So let's back out of here and find the camera. In the camera, let's check out its options. Notice this says photo and video, so I can switch, just like I can with my Galaxy S9. Let's see if that pays off in picture mode. So once again, I'm over here. This time I'm gonna hit the iOS button. Boom, it took a picture. Now the moment of truth, can we use it to record video? We are in video mode. Right now it's at 00. Friends, let's hit the button. And what do you know? Are we counting up? Yes, we are. We are in video mode. All right, so we've proven that it works on the iPhone. Let's see if it works on a newer Galaxy S9 like I think it should. I'm sure pairing is going to be the same on this one. In pair mode, there it is, the AB shutter. And boom, it is now connected to my Galaxy S9. Hey there, world. This is where I check and see if it was successful. Yes, it was. 7 seconds recorded. Alrighty, friends. So, the Kamisafe tripod stand with AB shutter is amazing. Super slick with the newer phones where you can switch to video mode so it actually starts recording when you press the button. For me, in creating these test videos, it is going to be awesome. I'm going to be able to set up a second camera, and then in an instant when I want, I just tap the button and boom, I'm recording from a different angle. It's like upgrading my studio for less than $13. I will post a link to this on Amazon. It'll be in the description down below, and I gotta be honest, I'm finding it pretty amazing. I believe if we look for a different camera app on the older phone that I was using, I think we can get it so it switches to video mode as well. I just haven't researched it yet. If I find one, I'll post another video. Sturdy build, great price, hard to beat. Friends, if you found this useful, please hit that like button. If you've got a question, comment, or a suggestion, add it down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button. And last but not least, hit the notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.